Hamilton Beach is America's #1 brand in small kitchen appliances. Introducing Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. This blender is the epitome of portability blended with power. This super portable blender is designed for your on-the-go lifestyle. This cordless wonder is ready to travel wherever you go. Whether you're at the gym, relaxing in the park, at your workplace, or traversing the city, this blender delivers fresh smoothies instantly, preserving all the essential nutrients. Perfect for your active life, as you want it, where you want it, when you want it. Not just for your workouts or daily commute, the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is also ideal for parents on the go. Quickly whip up fresh, nutritious meals for your baby, ensuring they get the best anytime and anywhere. If that was not enough, now elevate your social gatherings with the ability to mix fresh cocktails and mocktails right at your fingertips. Entertain friends and family with fresh party drinks at any house gathering. Above all, we ensure safety and durability with a jar crafted from Tritan material. Recognized by the US FDA for being most suitable material for food product. This blender easily charges with a universal C-type cable and has an extra long-lasting battery delivering up to 28 blends with a single charge. It is also easy to clean and also dishwasher safe. This blender is equipped with medical-grade stainless steel blades and a high-powered DC motor, delivering 18,000 RPM, strong enough to even crush ice for your smoothies. This Hamilton Beach blender comes with easy-to-carry zipper lid and a blade protector, which doubles as a measuring cup. This blender fits your lifestyle and is ideal for all kinds of blending. Be it smoothies, milkshakes, juices, fruits and veggies. Experience the blend of innovation and convenience with the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. Your ultimate solution for blending needs on the go.